Well, friends, family, folk, welcome again to the Luo Online. It has been quite bim bam week. The issue of Balalo. Things have not been easy on the issue of Balalo. Some people who say they support the Balalo invasion, some of them say the Guineas, which is the majority. Yeah, we hope it gets settled. Now, on to our project of the week, that is on the Luo of Ethiopia, called Anuak or Anua, or sometimes referred to as Anuak. Yes, don't mind about that sound, There are some friends behind the studio in the environment. Yeah, perhaps the most important task which autonomously has set itself is the study and discovery of many cultures. The role which music plays in each of man's culture, like the one you heard, that is Dixie Boy behind the studio, that song called Dire. Key roles that music plays in the past and even in the present, and also the knowledge of what music means to man is very important in life. The study of the music of the Anuak people is the study of the root of man, just like other tribes. This study incorporates a social and cultural framework only with some understanding of the society which a people's music recites can one best understand the music of the people. When one begins to be aware of the cultural mode of life, then musical modes of expression lost their initially perceived primitive quality and take on subtlety and depth. The music of an African is internally linked to his daily life. It is not some museum piece placed on a shelf to be taken down and dusted on and viewed on special occasions. For the African and for the Anuak, music a living part of life and evolving, rising out of intimate, intertwined joy with the social and cultural activities of the people. To study the music alone gives only a partial picture. The picture comes clearer when life experiences are also studied closer. The simple recordings of African songs as a collection of the Anuak tribe will be examined on the Luo Online thoroughly. Basic short function standards, that is living standards. And life processes will also be discussed. Namely the age, social set, which dominates the Anuak tribe. There are a lot of highly complex and sophisticated lifestyles such as courtship in Anuak people, and also marriage and inter-villages that are specially designed in the Gambela region. and also intertribal religions. All these are pattern forces reacting of the Anuak life. Thank you.